What's up, everybody? Rob Rich here, and welcome back to Rich and Groovy. Today we are doing just that, grooving into the fall time because it is feeling chilly and we want to keep the bones warm. Before we get into this, remember that this video is mirrored. So that means my right is your right and my left is your left. On the right today we got Liz, and on the left we got Keenan. Grab the water bottle, get the what? The towel to wipe the sweat? Y'all know what I was trying to say. And let's get grooving. DJ, drop it like it's frigid. Oh, warm it up. So listen, today's vibe is very chill, relaxed. But even though it's chill and relaxed, that doesn't mean that you're supposed to be lazy. Make sense? How we doing back here? Music is coming on. It's a vibe.
Told you so extra.
Woo.
But I know I'm
Just slow with us today. So it's actually harder to dance slower, right? Because you got to use more of your body. I should say, yeah. You got to use more of your body, more of your muscles, more energy to make it actually read. So even what we're doing now, if we really put our energy into it, keep moving with us, and you should feel your muscles actually contracting as you do this. So the lazy version of this is this. Look, that's just this way. But if I actually go, first move goes and step, 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 and step. I'm tapping left, left tap right, right tap left tap right. Keep it going. And 7, and we'll go. And 1, snap this on 2, and snap, and tap, and those hands are just snapping to the front, right? So if I was profile, I'm going here to the front, and boom. And then when you get into it, you can give me a little lean. Keep it going. Let me see what we got going back here. Okay. So listen, keep this in your pocket. Next move goes like this. Take the net to the right, left, double on your right, left, then right, double left. I'm using my chin to go front, and front, and front, and boom. Now listen, there's a lot of ways to do this groove, which makes it different. But I'm pushing front, then front, then front. And even though I'm going to the left or the right, and the left is front. Pick it up. Go 1, 2, 5, 6. Let your body move. Might feel a little more natural, right? If you want to work on the isolation of the neck, it's okay to stand still in 2, 3, 5, and 6, and 7. But as you feel it, let that body move. And it doesn't have to be perfect to the side. Make it more about the feeling. Groove in 2, and 5, and 6, and let me watch what's going on back here. How y'all doing? All right, take a second, shake it out. Remember the 2 moves we have together. I'm gonna give it to you from the top just because I want you to feel comfortable about everything. So right foot first, 6, 7 goes, and 1, and 5, and 7. One more, 1, and take the neck to the right, then the left, then the right, then the left, then right, then left. Let's figure out that transition. So we go and 1, and 3, and boom, and step into go, speed it up, and 2, and 3, and 5, and 6, and 7 from the top, and 1, and 5, and 7, 8, go 1, 2, hey, 5, 6. How we doing right there? You okay? Perfect timing. First break. Grab some water really quick. I'm gonna do the same thing, and then we jump right back into it. Keep it smooth, y'all. Keep it grooving. Again, today is a little bit slower, so take your time. Find that pocket, as they say. This is when you fit with the music perfectly. Checking my cheat sheet for the next move. Okay. We're gonna pull it in. The hands go to the left. Here we go. We got 5, 6, 7. Pull this in. This goes in and through. Do it again. In and through. in, and through, in. Nice. So I'm rocking on that right foot. Weight is going to the front. Hands pull back, then release. Back. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those knees, I know. Warm them up. Get them ready. Okay, switch to the other side. Left, pull, and come on. Take your time. And again, remember, just because it's slow, it's not supposed to be lazy. So that means we're not doing this. Look. Range of motion. Use your body. Engage everything. Let's make it a little tricky. To the side. Side. Stay here, right? Now I'm going to add a little swivel in a second. You with me? Watch this. We're going to go and pull and swivel. Other side. Ooh, look at y'all catching on. Look at y'all catching on. How y'all do at home? Slow it down. I got you. Slow. Back. Turn it. Through. Step on the left. Rock right. Left. Drag the right. Through. Step on the right. Back left. Step right. Drag it through. There it is. 6, 7. Let's speed this up. We got boom and 3. And we hear how it says. And the music. Ooh, musicality is always nice. Give me one more. And. Now give me a little thrust. Good, come on, put them hips into it. Okay, watch this. Rhythm goes tick, 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 tick. Breathe. 6, 7, 8. That's the freestyle. All your choices are free. But I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Speed it up. You got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weather. We fight retreating this, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like. Don't be afraid to touch your body now. You ain't got. Come on, I see you. Don't be doing this thing. You got to touch. It's yours. Again, we got 5, 6, 7. You go. Go 1 and 2 and 3. Go 5 and 6 and go. Go. Breathe here. I know that takes a lot of work. So we got moves. Let's go from the top. Put it together. 5, 6, 7, and 1. And 5. And one more. And 8. And to the neck. We go to the right. Left double. Then the left. Double. Then the right. Pull it in with the right to the side, right away to the swivel. Go. Swivel. Oh, music went out. You got lucky. Take that break real quick. Let me go ahead and swivel to my water. All right, okay. Take your break. Take a second. Music is coming in. Let me check with my people. How y'all doing back here? Y'all good? We hydrated? It's fall. Okay, y'all. It was ready before me. We're back. Where we at? Step swivel. Here we go. 5, 6, right foot. You go. Then you swivel. Boom. Come on, that feels good. Tick, tick. Let's go. You got. Go what? Tick, tick, tick. Nice. Okay, we got our next move right here. One of my favorites. Giving you a little southern flavor. Stanky leg. All right. Right foot goes out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Right, so look, I'm not stepping full on the foot, right? You see that little toe is like out to the side. Just the weight on the ball of the foot so I can drag it in. Most of my weight is still on the left because I want to go this. Ooh. 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 It's nasty. Stanky leg. So you can take it down, look. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, your knees is getting some love today, ain't they? 6, 7. Calf muscle burner. Okay, take a second. Shake it out. Shake it out. Mechanics of that move are really simple. It's just you don't want to be stiff upper body. So it is about the leg, but look, if I do this like this, my leg, look, it can be as stank as I want. A little bit more comedic. This feels like, it looks like, oh, as well, it feels good to me. Let's go on the other side. Give that right calf some love. 1, 2, slow it. 3, slow it down. 5, 6, 7. One more like that. Out, drag it in. Out, drag it in. You see the upper body moving to the left? You're right, don't fight that. Speed it up. You got 1, 3. Ooh, every time on the right and on the left. How y'all feeling in the back? I know y'all smiling. Y'all gotta be smiling. Calf muscle burning. Stay with it, I know. Almost there. 5.